Okay, so in this video I'm going to talk about how to unlock my phone with Cellunlocker.net, and I'm going to show you how I've done it as well. So of course it all started out with the website Cellunlocker.net, and when you go there it asks you for your phone brand, it asks you for the type, and then it's going to ask you for your IMEI code, and that's the code that helps you identify your specific phone so that they know which one that you're unlocking. So mine is a Samsung, and that's what I'm entering right now. It's a Galaxy S21 Ultra, and I'm with AT&T. So I entered all that and clicked the yellow unlock your phone button. Just waiting for it to take me to the next page. Okay, so when I get to the next page, it asks for the phone's IMEI number. Now, big question, how do I find that? On my phone, I go down to settings, which is, that little button right there that looks like a gear. I scroll all the way down on my phone to, at the bottom here it says about phone. And when I go to about phone, it shows me my IMEI number. So I copy that and I take it over and enter it into Cellunlocker.net. So it's searching, and now it tells me that it would be instant to 24 hours and it'll cost me $45.99. So I went through that whole process, waited just under 24 hours and got my code. So now we're going to try my code and see if this works. So with the code, they sent me a bunch of information on what the code is, and then they also sent me some information on how to enter it. So let's see. It says, in order to unlock my phone, I have to have a foreign SIM card from another provider. I went ahead and picked it up from T-Mobile. I already punched it out so that it's ready to go. I need my code. Okay. So what it says is to go ahead and get the SIM card. The new one, the foreign one, so I can put it in my phone. So I'm sliding it into this little tiny SIM card tray for my phone. And let's go ahead and put this in my phone and see what it does. I put it in backwards, I think. So that'll take 1 minute to get it right. Let's see. Alright, let's see if I can get that in there. What's it doing? It just did something, but I need to double check what's going on because it's saying that there's a problem with my SIM card tray. So it says no SIM card detected. Let me take that little tray back out. It says the metal part needs to be facing up when I enter it. Alright, let's try that again. Alright. So now I got it entered, but it says invalid SIM card. Why? Because it's not with AT&T. So invalid SIM card. So it says if my phone prompts for an unlock pin, then I can go ahead and enter the unlock pin. So network lock is what it says, and it's asking me to enter the unlock code because my phone's not allowed to use the SIM. So if your phone prompts for a network unlock pin, you use the network code that was sent to me from Cellunlocker.net. And so I'm entering that code into my phone right now. 1. A lot of numbers. Hopefully I entered it right. So I just got a message that said network unlocked. And I just got a message here at the bottom that popped up which shows that we did this right, because it says switch to T-Mobile. And it tells me to restart my phone to switch so it can change the network. So I'm doing that right now. Okay, so it's going to take a minute to go ahead and power off, restart, recognize the new network, and then when it does, we'll see if it shows T-Mobile instead of AT&T, and if I can go ahead and make a call. All right, it's coming back on. All right, Samsung Galaxy logo. Look, I don't know if you can tell, but that is the T-Mobile logo. You probably can't read where it says T-Mobile too well. There we go. So that shows that it's recognizing the new SIM card and powering up. Okay, let's see. I'm going to take it off of my Wi-Fi because I want to make sure that it is actually working on the new network. Now, I have not activated the phone yet to go ahead and work with T-Mobile. So I may not be able to go ahead and make a call right now because I am porting my old phone number. I need to make sure that it all works. However, if you look at the very top of my screen, you can see that it says right up here, I've got 5G and I've got bars. Now, let's see if it does make a call, even though I haven't actually, done anything to activate. Let's try to call AT&T. And like I said, it might not work because I have not actually called T-Mobile to activate this phone. Okay, but it is working because I'm getting text messages from T-Mobile. And these text messages are telling me that my SIM card is working and thanks for putting it in. So it's not making a phone call, but let's try to call T-Mobile at 611, because that, even if my number is not active, should work.
T-Mobile. Para español, marque asterisco.
See? So, phone is unlocked. Everything is working great, guys. Thank you so much.